Oh, okay, perfect. We're back. All right, you guys ready? Roll the film, Tony. So then you have to pack a bag with only things an exile could carry and leave your home, and make sure that you do this in front of others. Then judgment. Judgment is against the false prophets and judgment against the false women prophets. Some leaders of Israel will visit, and the message of the Lord will too follow you, telling you that the leaders have set up idols in their hearts. Then prepare yourself for a rant by now, because God is pretty much fed up, and he'll tell you how Jerusalem's like a useless vine and an unfaithful wife, and how she will be judged for acting like a streetwalker. But you'll hear a fun story about two eagles, and you might want to get some tea and honey ready, because you'll have to learn a funeral song. And to no surprise, Israel once again will rebel. But again, tell the people of their fate and the sword of the Lord's judgment. Oh, the 666 sins of Jerusalem, like two adulterous sisters. But behold, O sisters of the night, your judgment is coming. Then you'll take a cooking pot, put it on the fire, and pour some water into it, and fill it with choice meat. For the demonstration, this will be a sign. Oh yeah, and you'll also have a wife, but she'll die, but don't show sorrow or cry. I mean, like, you can grieve, but do it silently, okay? Then you'll need to give out messages, because those people have started to view themselves as God. You'll have to go speak to Moab, Edom, Tyre, and a couple other places. And oh, how the effects of Tyre's destruction will simply collapse the hopes and lives of others. Send a message to Egypt, for it will be a sad day for Egypt. Pharaoh's arms, yeah, they'll be broken. Egypt will be like fallen Assyria. Please warn Pharaoh, because Egypt will fall into the pit. Again, you'll receive a message from the Lord, for you are Israel's watchman. And before you know it, in your 12th year of captivity, a survivor for Jerusalem will approach you and tell you the city has fallen.
Whoa, 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 whoa. This is all happening too fast. That's too much. I mean, God, why me? Look at all of that. I can't do all of that. I think you made a mistake. I know you don't make mistakes, but choosing me, I think you did.
On the contrary, Ezekiel, you can, and you will.